Hello guys, my name is Amit Kurekar from Mechanical 4th year. My topic is plastic pollution in the ocean. As the plastics are synthetic materials made up of thousands of monomers. Its types are polyethylene, polystyrene, polypropylene and PVC. Its various applications are bottles, jars, bags, shoes, pipes, furniture, etc. As the plastics takes a long period to degrade. Plastic bags 20 years, plastic bottles 450 years, plastic cups 50 years and food wrappers 300 years and fishing line materials 600 years. As now we will see what is this plastic pollution. As we buy these plastics and after using it throw it in the environment, it gets end up in the ocean and river, which are then eaten up by the aquatic animals and can cause death to them. In this way, these plastic pollution occurs by various toxic chemicals and present in the polythene. As now the main sources are 80% from the land-based sources like litter, industrial discharge, garbages from homes. 20% from the ocean-based sources like commercial fishing vessels, cargo ships and cruise ships. Now, what are the categories affected by it? First are birds and fishes. Toxic chemicals leach out of plastics and can be ingested by the birds and fishes, which can cause internal blockage in their bodies and can cause severe death to them. As the bird's wings and the necks may also be caught up in the pieces of plastics and can cause severe injuries to them. Now the turtles. As the turtles can't tell the difference between the jellyfish and a floating plastic bag, although the turtles can ingest the plastics and this causes them blockage in their guts. Now the humans. As the contaminated plastics and chemical effluents eaten up by the fishes and other aquatic animals. And now if these animals are eaten up by the humans, it can cause severe diseases to them like bird diseases, pregnancy diseases, heart, brain and liver diseases, immunity problems to them. And other categories and other many categories are also affected by it. Now we will see what various facts associated with the plastic pollution. Since the 1950s, around 8.3 billion tons of plastics have been produced worldwide. 73% of the beach litter worldwide is plastic. A million plastic bottles are bought around the world every minute. Worldwide, about 2 million plastic bags are used every minute. 90% of the plastic polluting our ocean is carried out by just 10 rivers. Plastic is killing more than 1.1 million seabirds and animals every year. The average person eats 70,000 microplastic each year. The average time that a plastic bag is used for is just 12 minutes. Over the past 50 years, world plastic production has doubled. Now we will see what can we do to reduce these plastics in the ocean. While going to shopping, we can use handmade bags instead of using plastic bags. While carrying the water, we can use thermos flasks instead of using plastic bottles. While eating, we can use wooden spoons instead of using plastic spoons. While using straws, we can use bamboo straws. While packaging, we can use glass jars instead of using plastic packets. We can also use biodegradable plastics in place of polythene plastics. We can also select some best alternatives for this. There are 9 reasons to refuse these single-use plastics as made of fossil fuel, as if it affects animals, aquatic animals. It is also affects our ocean. It has very less percentage of recycling. It has very huge carbon footprint, etc. and etc. So guys, we have to beat this plastic pollution. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button and share it. Thank you next level for this opportunity. Thank you.